Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West clothing subscription for the month of August. You always get a list of items and the prices, and I'll set that aside. I'll show it to you at the end. But basically, they send you stuff based on your profile that you filled out. So certain patterns and colors you like, and they try to pick clothing items and jewelry for you. If there's anything you don't like or doesn't fit, you can send it back. You only get charged for what you end up keeping. So it's very easy. What is this? Is this a dress? So this is a dress. Has a cool back to it with like this little stretchy piece. It's a really pretty shade of blue with these red and white designs on it. Very soft and very flowy. So I have that, and I will put full pictures at the end so you can see the items. It says these are mediums, but these look really big. They're like oversized shirts. This is cool. I've been getting a ton of these with like cold shoulders and all these different kind of designs up front. I like those. I'm digging that. So that one's a really pretty gray color. This one is by Hippie Chick. This is a top. Again, it has some cutouts for the arms. I think every month I've gotten shirts like that, but I like them. Because that's not typically something I would buy for myself or probably even try on. But since it gets sent, you're more inclined to try it on and see how it fits. Also have some shorts. Nice olive green. I've also gotten her some really awesome shorts that are super comfy. I've been wearing them around the house lately. So I'm excited for these. Is that a black pair? Yep, and a black pair. These are real lacy. Stretchy band. Those are cute. And then we always get jewelry. So there's normally a necklace, earrings, and a bracelet. So let's check those out. Pretty interesting little necklace. It's adjustable. Then we have earrings. Those are pretty nice. And then our bracelet. Ooh, I got one that was similar to this. I thought it was a choker, and it totally fits as a choker. This one's a little bit different, but they're magnetic. So you can kind of wrap it around your arm. And it's easier to close because it's a little magnetic clasp. So you have this nice like overlaying wrap bracelet. I really like the other one I got. It was like a nude color. So that is what I got for this month. I'll go ahead and insert the pictures. If you guys are interested, I have a promo code below and a link to their website. So I'll put all the information in the description box in case you want to sign up for a subscription of your own. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.